Hey tech enthusiasts, today on Tech Lab, we are diving into the art of resolving merge conflicts on GitHub, your essential guide for cleaner code and seamless collaboration. First off, understanding what a merge conflict is can save you from a heap of headaches. Picture this scenario: two guys simultaneously updated the same pull request and pushed their changes to the master branch. GitHub, being the ever-watchful guardian of code integrity, flags a merge conflict because it detects overlapping changes. The heart of the matter is GitHub wants to maintain a smooth flow of changes without data loss. We'll explore 3 critical steps in resolving these conflicts with real-world insights, ensuring even novices can pick up and expert coders will appreciate a thorough walkthrough. Let's kick off with the identify merge conflicts. Imagine our teammate Rajiv updated the user login functionality on the master branch, but our savvy coder Priyanka committed edits to the same section on the dev branch. When it's time to merge dev into master, GitHub alertingly pops up with merge conflicts. To resolve this, we must open the files from the conflicted repository and GitHub will visually demarcate conflicting changes. Here's a practical application. Using Git's command line interface, navigate to the conflicted file and GitHub will mark the conflicted areas with developer branched code is equal to master branch code and +++++ your combined code. The challenge is to integrate the best of both worlds to achieve unified functionality. Next, let's tackle the resolve conflicts step. Picture Rajiv and Priyanka sitting together, examining each line of conflicting code. Together, they decide to combine Rajiv's user authentication implementation with Priyanka's additional security enhancements to her unique login experience. The goal here is to reconcile the differences and merge the updates in a way that improves the end product while staying true to the merged vision. Finally,